Tutorial for using the calendar in Canvas. Canvas provides you with a calendar where you can see the dates for turning in assignments, participating in forums, and taking exams. You can also add your personal events and reminders. You can view your calendar according to your preference by pressing any of the following options: week, month, agenda, and scheduler. In the right vertical bar, you can activate and deactivate the events recorded in your calendar. To do so, press the square icon located before the name of the course. The icon will deactivate and show no color, which indicates that you deactivated the calendar for that course. You can also change the color of your calendar by pressing the 3 dots at the end. Note that you will have a personal calendar with your name where you can save personal reminders, among other things. You will also note that the events marked in your calendar use the same color of the course. This way, you can identify the events that belong to a particular course. To add a new event to your calendar, press the plus sign that appears on the upper right side of the calendar. A new window will open where you will need to fill out the requested information and then press the Submit button. Once you create the event, it will appear in your calendar with the predetermined color for your events. It is important to remember that Canvas only allows you to display a maximum of 10 calendars at a time.